Hi, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and today we're taking a look at the 2020 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. Here in the back, she's powered by a 90 horsepower, 4-stroke Mercury engine. You'll notice a good amount of room, along with stainless steel rails. Your helm bench here, comfortably seat 2. You got your cup holders. At the helm, you have your gauges, switches, throttle, and a little volt if you need a charge. Additional cup holders, and the helm actually has a console, little storage system here. Here you have your cooler seat, and up at the stern here, of course, you have a locker, additional storage. Again, this is the 2020 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. For any questions, any additional information, please feel free to contact us at MarineMax Boston at our office here in Quincy, at Bay Point Marina, or up in the North Shore in Danvers. Thank you.